So in this question, it is given to us if tan 20 degrees is equal to lambda, we have to show that tan 160 minus tan 110 by 1 plus tan 160 into tan 110 is equal to 1 minus lambda square by 1 by 2 lambda. So tan 160 can be written as 180 minus 20. Tan 110 can be written as 90 plus 20, right? So instead of tan 160, we wrote tan 100 and 180 minus 20. And instead of tan 110, we have wrote 120 plus 90 plus 20. Now tan 180 minus 20, where does this tan 180 lies? So this is your first quadrant. Listen carefully. In first quadrant, all are positive. In first quadrant, all are positive. In second quadrant, sign is positive. Only sign is positive. All silver. Okay? In second quadrant, sign is positive. In third quadrant, tan is positive. All silver tea. So tan is positive. Only tan is positive in third quadrant. And in fourth quadrant, cos is positive. Understood? Shahanur. In first quadrant,
Yes,
all the
sir.
ratios sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot are positive. In second quadrant, only sine is positive. In third quadrant, only tan is positive. And in fourth quadrant, cos is positive. Okay? So tan 180 minus theta. So 180 minus theta means second quadrant. This is 180. 180. This is 190. Pi by 2 is nothing but 90. This is 0 or 360. So 180 minus 20 means second quadrant. In second quadrant, tan is negative. So tan 180 minus 20 degree can be written as, because tan only sign is positive, it means rest of them are negative. So tan 180 minus 20 degree will be minus tan 20. Clear? Next, tan 90 plus 20. So 90 plus 20 means it comes in which quadrant? Second quadrant. Now if there is 90, we have to change the ratio. 90 plus is there, then we have to change the ratio, because tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So 90 plus theta will be cot theta. But because tan is negative in this quadrant, we have to change the sign. So here we had negative sign. So we have changed the sign to positive. Okay, so cot tan 90 plus 20 will be cot minus cot 20. Sign will change and it will become plus cot 20. Is that clear? Are you all following? Next, tan 180 minus 20 will be Tan 180 minus 20 will be minus tan 20, and tan 90 plus 20 will be minus cot 20. Minus minus cancel, and you will get it as plus tan 20 into cot 20. Is that clear? We are using these two formulas. Is that clear? Now tan 20 is nothing but lambda, and cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Is it right? Cot theta can be written as cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. So instead of tan 20 we are writing lambda. Instead of cot 20 we are writing 1 by lambda. And cot 20 into tan 20, cot 20 will be 1 by tan 20. So this cot 20 and tan 20 will get cancelled, and you will be left with 1. You will be left with 1 plus 1, that will be 2. Simplify, multiply and divide with lambda over here. So you will get it as lambda square. Multiply and divide with lambda. Okay, so you will get it as 1 minus lambda square by 2 lambda. So in this problem, first of all, we have cross multiplied 1 into cos 10 into root 3 into sin 10. Then in the denominator, sin 10 into cos 10. Then we have multiplied and divided by 2, because 2 sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. So this sin 10 into cos 10 has been converted to sin 20. Then from the numerator we have taken 2 as common. This 1 by 2 will become sin 30. This root 3 by 2 will become cos 30. We applied the formula sin A minus B. Here A is 30 and B is 10. So A minus B will become 30 minus 10 will become 20. Then sin 20 by sin 20 will 20. Sin 20 gets cancelled, and the answer is 4. Next problem, if sin alpha by A is equal to cos alpha by B, then show that sin 2 alpha plus B cos 2 alpha is equal to B. So in order to do that, if we multiply, we have to, let's take that if sin alpha by A is equal to cos alpha by B is equal to K. Let's take it as a constant. If sin alpha by A is equal to cos alpha by B is equal to 1 by K, then A will be equal to K sin alpha and B will be equal to K cos alpha. Now if you take the numerator, if you take LHS, okay, then A sin 2 alpha plus B cos 2 alpha. Instead of A, what can we write? K sin alpha. Instead of this A, we can write it as K sin alpha. And instead of this B, we can write it as K cos alpha. Take K as common. We have taken K as common. What will be left? Cos 2 alpha into cos alpha plus sin 2 alpha sin alpha. It is in the form of cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So the formula is cos A minus B. Cos A minus B is the formula. Cos 2 alpha minus alpha will be cos alpha. K cos alpha is nothing but B. So instead of K cos alpha, we can write B. 3a. Okay, sine a into sine 60 plus a into sine 60 minus a is equal to 1 by sine 3a. So we are taking LHS. Okay, we are taking our left hand side. Okay, so now sine 60 plus a into sine 60 minus a is in the form of sine a plus b into sine a minus b. The formula is sine a sine square a minus sine square b. So sine a into sine square a, that is 60, minus sine square b, that is a. We have used this formula, sine square a minus sine square b. Now sine square 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2, and sine square a is sine square a itself. Now root 3 square is 3 and root 2 square is 4. Now multiply and divide with 4 so that we can get a same denominator. Then take 4 as common and multiply sine. So we will get it as, if 1 by 4 is common, 3 sine a into minus 4 sine cube a. This is the formula of sine 3a. Sine 3 theta is equal to 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a.